morning. You can't see me. I'll tell you why you can't see me. Because it's early. And we're going fishing. Happy days. Happy days. Bacon sarnie on the go. And then yeah, get down the boat. See you when the sun comes up a bit. Ta-ta. We're out, baby! Woo! We are out! Look at this! Oh, come on, Arlene! Oh, come on, sports fans, what are you saying? Oh, look! Got Captain Monkey in the background, mate! Gee! Three of us out today, three of us out. There's old Marty, boys, playing up. Mark! Shit, boy! Love it! Come on, quality. Let's get it on.
Over there.
Mr. Seal over there, getting his breakfast on. In front of Liam's boat.
Oh wow, amazing.
Oh wow, look at him, quality. Don't know if you can see him on the GoPro, it's a little bit far away, but lovely to see in the old sunshine. Look at him, look, a little backstroke. Brilliant.
Oh.
Fish on, fish on.
Fish on.
First fish on. Little whiting, gonna get plenty of them today, I reckon. Let's have a look. Hey. Happy days. Liam over there, Marty over there. And here we go. Well, sports fans, the missus has been a little bit diggy, so we're going to go and fish the river. Bless her little heart. Oh, look at her. Yeah, we're going to go and fish the river. Hopefully catch a few fish here. Happy days. Talk about a sheet of glass. Jeez. Check out. Absolutely stunning. Sports fans, I love this. Just come for a little cheeky cuppa on this island in the middle of the river. Bloody sun. Check this out. Check this out. Island right in the middle of the River Deben when the tide's out. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful, lovely, beautiful, nice soft sand. There she is, look, little beauty. She feels better now. Wave! Woo! Yeah, this is gorgeous. I love this. Never know what you're going to find in the little pools that get stuck on here. But yeah, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The old, we've got the bit of clamshell, cockle shells all on here, a few mussels, whelks, a couple of old whelk shells here. What we got? Little tiny little cockle shells, look, focus, lots of tiny little cockle shells, beautiful. What else we got? Little mussel shell. Oh look, someone left a cup of tea on here, that was nice of them. I've got my throw net today because the heron are in, and if I come across a shoulder heron I'm going to go for them. What we got here? Nothing. But yeah, look at that water, crystal clear, crystal clear. First time I've dunked my GoPro underwater. A bit nervy actually. Don't think there's much else to see on here, to be fair. Beautiful little island though. Beautiful little island right in the middle of the river. Old oyster shell. And she just goes and sort of pans off. Absolutely stunning. Crystal clear at the minute. We're going to go and fish a river now and see if we can find some bass. So it'd be nice to find some bass and some. There's been a few rays coming out of the river. Been a few rays and a few doggies and all sorts of bits and pieces coming out of the river. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'll give you one last show. And we'll go from there. Right, wish us luck. See you in a bit. What's she got? What's she got? Hey! What is that? That's a bass, babe.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a little tiny bass.
Can we do it again then?
Woo, smile. Well done, baby.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, we're in the river, huh?
Can we?
What?
Can we cut that?
So I feel about eight people, all right? Yeah, that's cool. Well done, babe. Well done. She's on again. She's on again. What's she got? Another little bass, boy. She's on pest control.
A little baby bear.
But you love it, don't you? You enjoy it, don't you? That's the main thing.
Catch.
Liam's just come over there because his missus was feeling dicky as well, so we've got two dicky misses. Yeah, she's beautiful though, beautiful. Hopefully now the flood's coming in, hopefully get a couple of better bass. Or a couple of big whiting. I won't mind. I've got a couple of things I want to try with the old whiting, a couple of oriental things, so we'll see. She wants me to take her bath off, look. Alright, I'm now coming. Getting pestered by these little monkeys at the minute, ain't we? Ain't you, mate? Huh? You're a pain in my arse, ain't you? Language. Good for the whelk pots, though. Boy, nice whiting. Look at that. That is a very nice whiting. Find the hook. There you go, guys. Nice whiting. Plenty of them about at the minute. But we're after the cod. We got bass on, boy. Come on in, swing her in. Oh, nice one. Go on, girl.
4-1, 4-1.
Rod down. Well, no, she's caning me. Look at that. Lovely old bass. She's doing it, mate. She's doing it. Happy days. Gets on the old twins fishing. Bass on, bass on. Love it. Go ahead. Fish on, sports fans. Feels like a nice fish. Feels like a very nice fish. I think it's a chunky old whiting with a crab. Oh no, ain't that a bass?
And a
Bass
crab.
and a crab. Got a bass on the hook and a crab on the frickin' weight, look. What the hell is that thing doing? Oh, crab's off. Ow. Still plenty of bass about, look. Happy days.
Buddy!
She's in again.
5-1.
5-1.
Woohoo!
Let's have a look. Is that a nice one? Well, that'll do nicely. Well done. Well done, bass girl. That's it.
Yeah.
Got a double a bubbler. Double a bubbler. Come on, babe, pick your fish up.
Yeah.
I've got a bass. She's got a whiting. Woo! Happy days.
It's catching up now. 5-4.
Another bass. Love it. Lovely day fishing in such glorious weather.
Beautiful, look.
We got there, girl. Nice whiting, have you?
Oh,
Oh, that's
that?
a lovely whiting. Size of that bad boy.
probably the biggest one I've
Yeah, that's
caught.
a nice whiting. Oh, I've got a bite and all, look. Here we go. Live bite. Oh, look at that. Fish on, look. Fish on. Let's get you up here. Let's get you up here. What we got? Still on? Hang on a sec. Fish on, sports fans. Ah, that just come off at the boat. Little monkey. Oh well, that happens. GoPro, stop recording.
6-1.
All right. Having a lovely day so far. We've had bass, whiting, and that is that at the minute. I'll have to come back to you because the missus can't get the hook out of the whiting, so I'll be back. She's caning me today. Absolutely, I've taught her too well, sports fans. I've taught her too well.
Oh, babe, yes.
Oh look, she's got a lovely fish on. What is it? Whiting or a bassaroonie? That's a little whiting. That's a nice whiting. She got the whiting on. Well done, Gertie. Hold her up for the camera. Lovely times, well done. Stonker of a whiting. Legal size for a whiting is 20, don't turn on the side, it's 27 centimetre, and this one is 33. Look at that. Nice whiting. We're contemplating taking this one home because we've got a couple of ideas, haven't we, babe, with the old cooking.
Yeah.
So I think I'll knock this one on the head and take this one for the table, I think. Happy days. This could be the last fish of the day, folks. Been a productive one in the river, plenty of bites. Nice to get out on the boat. And we have, what a surprise, a whiting. Lovely times. Well, that's another episode of Twins Fishing. Next week we're going to meet a friend of ours, social distancing of course. It's about 2.5 hours away. I can't remember exactly where we're going, but we're going after the I'm going after the predators, so I'm going to try and catch my first zander, and we're going to be targeting the perch as well on the old ultralight gear. So yeah, looking forward to that one. It'd be nice to see me mate. I ain't seen him in a very long time, so that'll be good to get out there and get on that, and yeah, get some predators, hopefully bag a couple of decent zander. I'll be filming the whole lot. Me and my brother are going. Is you know, part of my bubble. So yes, happy days. Well, thank you for joining us on another episode of Twins Fishing. Smack that subscribe button, and we shall see you later. What you got to say, Lise?
We are gone.